Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart weekly on settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps, you will search about the application of Walmart and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store and you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. And thank you for your watching and your time.